I know everybody would wish to have this kind of health kit. And see, it's really a very good kit, and everybody can really be very, very happy. So we have sprayed them today, but this is not the reason why I'm explaining this today. Um, I've been receiving your messages. I've been receiving a lot of your messages um, talking about cough. So I think today, let me simply explain. Let me simply explain what causes cough, what could be the possible, because I'm not going to do a confirmatory explanation, but what could be the possible causes of cough, and how do I deal with cough in my farm. You see, these young kids have been here, and I had some of them really having that simple cough. But all in all, this is what I want you to know. I've been telling you this for quite some time, that when you're producing kids, you must have a certain drug that you have to have on your farm. When you're going into the rainy season, there is some drugs that you have to have in that period. When you're going into a dry spell, you know the drugs that you have to have in the farm. Today, let me just discuss about the cough. I think, let me just be here. You know, when you grow old, things start to really become very hard for you. So me, I'm really growing up very old. I'm starting to love more animals, and being in this kind of situation. First and foremost, what causes cough? If you see cough in your farm, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's worms, but it can as well be worms. Let me just list out things that might cause cough. One, a lot of dust in your flock can cause cough. A lot of congestion in the house of animal can cause cough. Stress, like shipping animals in your new animals in an area, can cause cough. Stress, so that means cough. Stress is also part of cough, cause of cough. Then worms can cause cough. There is also pneumonia, can also cause cough. Then a disease called CCPP, contagious caprine pneumonia, can as well cause cough. How do we know that this is the cough that is caused by this? I told you a long time ago, we have what they call symptomatic treatment or symptomatic ruling out of a disease. Let me say, for us here in these new babies, if we get cough, sometimes we think it could be pneumonia. But since the place is well aerated, there is no smell of the fumes in a flock, like the way you see, the place is just lovely. So we rule that out, that couldn't be pneumonia. But sometimes, I told you many times that we have a disease. That disease is called CCPP. That disease attacks animals. It's I don't know, I don't even remember very well whether it's a viral, but it's very deadly. How do you know that this could be the disease? They cause cough and also discharge. And you know, it causes very high mortality in these kids. A goat starts to cough. You can come like the way you hear us here in this flock, and you find that all the kids are really coughing, and that cough is always heavy. It's a heavy cough. It makes sound. So probably what you do, like in this flock, if you find that you really have that resistant cough, you either have to vaccinate for CCPP. If you have no access to that vaccine, what do you have to do? You look at your records. Ever since we produced these kids, how often have we been deworming them? Because me, I told you, I do soft deworming when these kids makes 2 weeks. And then after 2 weeks, I have to do another soft deworming till when they make 3 months. And that marks that this animal has grown up. It's now a fully grown up goat, which can resist a lot of diseases. So if you're sure that we dewormed these animals for quite some time, and you are sure that your manager didn't lie to you, but the cough is still there, ask yourself, now these have made, some of them have made a month. Ask yourself, have I ever vaccinated for CCPP? If no, apply that vaccine for CCPP on these coats. Then after doing that, you still see the coughing is persisting. Then also try to do what we call symptomatic treatment. In the drugs that we use in the cough, because that is a respiratory system that is affected, we always use a drug called tyrosine. Tyrosine is Tyrocin, tyrosine. Or you have to inject like I got like this, if I can pick it. Sorry. I got like this, is around 15 kilos. So you can inject it like 1 ml. You inject it intramuscular for consecutive 5 days. That cough will stop. If that cough stops and again comes back, we have another alternative drug called Baccarin. You can as well put it on that treatment, and also give some dexamethasone to such kind of animals. But prevention is better. If an animal makes like a month, start doing the vaccination. CCPP, PPR, like every month till, because I showed you my vaccination schedule. So that is all about the cough. So I've talked about the kids, but still in old animals, if you get a cough, what do you start to roll out? Have you dewormed? Because there is those worms that causes cough. If you have dewormed and the time has not gone, then look at something else. What could be the possible causative agent of that cough? Most of the time, it's pneumonia and CCPP. So for pneumonia, you can as well be giving it some pen and strep, or you can give it gentamicin, or you can give it oxy 10%, and then you give with Dexa, you treat that cough. So the common cough, the moment you realize that you have the cough, please, have you dewormed? If that, roll it out. Then look at these other possible diseases. How do you see the aeration of your housing? If the aeration is so perfect and nice, rule out that pneumonia is not part of it. It's well aerated, no smell, rule it out. Then put your eyes on the CCPP. Then start that treatment. Then after doing all that treatment, make sure that you do a routine vaccination. Those diseases are really very serious, but those are the things that I want now to inform to your managers, such that they know how they can roll out disease by disease, and then we can move forward. Me, my target now is how I can help you in my own way, such your kids don't die, such that your goats don't die, and we move towards the number of 20 million goats. You know, my target and my plan is 20 million goat project. But I cannot just implement it that way without helping the existing breeders. That's why I'm now going into that system of training your managers online, free of charge, and then you can succeed. So that's what I really heard about the cough. And you can definitely know. I have told you what is the possible cause. I've told you what is the possible treatment for that. But still, if you have the money, you can go in the laboratory, do the confirmatory test, and then as well, let the project move on. Let me just wish you the best, you guys, and bye for now.